and a half from my home, and I'm here to take out this small swarm right here that is perched so perfectly right where I can get them. It's kind of a nasty, rainy, windy day, so I'm just gonna put my hive body on this ladder kind of close to them and see if we can get the bees just to go into this little nuke box that I have prepared for them with some combs already. So I think they're gonna be very excited. So come along with me. Let's see if we can catch this swarm. All right guys, so got a little contraption built here: trash can, recycle bin, hive body, and we're just gonna hope that maybe they choose to come on down in there. I've got food in there, some honey and some nectar, so I think they're just gonna start marching down in. I'm gonna put the lid on partially because they will like that to be closed a little bit. All right, y'all, let's see. They're marching in. Let's see if we can get this whole thing in here by sundown. We've got about an hour until sundown. I think it will take a lot less time than that. Here we go, let's march in. They're taking their sweet time, but they're heading down. I might encourage them. There's my other hive too. So these bees, you see the bees on the lid that are sticking their rear ends in the air and they're like fanning their wings now? That's called nasonoving, and that's to spread the pheromone that they've found a home. So I think they're all gonna come in here at least by nightfall. Alright guys, so I've just been scraping them down. I cannot believe they're not just marching in this hive because it is so cold out here. I would want to be in this box too. We just have a few scragglers left on the branches here. I'm just trying to encourage them to go down. It's almost nighttime, so they will go down anyway, eventually. So I'm going to move this box down so they don't crawl back up on that branch. I don't think they will, but okay, so they're all down in the box. So now I just want to move this box down so they're off this branch. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and get this ready for transport. All the bees are in there. I will check it on a warmer day when it's not cold and rainy. Hello everybody. So I'm in the bee yard. It's kind of late afternoon, and what I'm doing is I'm checking on this little nuke box here, and this has a swarm that I caught in it the other day, and I didn't find the queen when I put the swarm in there. It was 40 degrees, raining, and really windy, so I just got all the bees in the hive, closed them up, brought them home, and then it was really windy and nasty and rainy for like 3 days straight, so the bees barely even left the hive. So I never felt like I really needed to cage the queen or anything, because I feel like the weather kind of caged her. It permitted or prohibited them from flying out. So right now I'm going to open them up. I'd really like to see the queen. There should be a couple combs in here. I'm hoping they've already started to draw some comb, but let's see how this little swarm is doing. I drove about an hour and a half from my home to go collect this, but they were so low. I've got my suit on right now because the beast is right in front of this thing. Oh, look at that. What a nice little pile of bees. Can you guys see that all right? Let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see that. I'll pull a couple frames up. So we should have empties on the outside and in the middle. So I'm just going to get those out of the way. Really like, I might take my hood off just to see if there's eggs in here when I get there. It's just Oh, they've already drawn a little bit of comb, guys. So I picked these guys up on Sunday last week. It is Thursday now. So they've been here about 4 days. Look at that. Isn't this awesome? Those bees festooning. I don't want them to fall. They're doing so good. I'm just gonna try to gently set this right next to their hive. All right, so I put this empty comb in here. It actually wasn't empty. Oh goodness. This is kind of a wobbly setup. I'm gonna move this over here to my stand. There we go. Good job, ladies. All right. So this next frame has a comb in it that had pollen and a small amount of nectar in it. So they are doing very good. They are already drawing some nice combs in here. They're just really festooning and sticking on here. I'm just hoping to come in here and find the queen. I'm pretty sure she's in here. I don't see her that side. Don't see her this side either. Right? It's difficult to tell if they're eggs either. No sunlight right now. Windy. Set them back in there for a minute. It's so windy. Maybe better done earlier in the day. Sorry, ladies. I cannot see eggs. I need some more sun. But they've drawn quite a bit of comb in 4 days. This may have had a virgin queen in it. Like I said, I did not see her when I caught the swarm. I was hoping to see her today. I don't see eggs. Seems like if there was a mated queen, but maybe she's laid this next frame up. Oh, they're drawing comb everywhere. Good bees. Oh, this is heavy. They brought some honey in. May just be oh, there's the queen. Here we go. There she is. That's a virgin queen, guys. I'm gonna get a picture of this. She's right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll have to check my camera here in a minute. But so we have a virgin queen in this swarm that I caught the other day. Going to the other side. Okay, so she looks newly mated or not quite mated. She might. So I'm just gonna put her back in, guys. Hopefully you guys could see her. Here, let me real quick. We don't want to mess them up too bad. Where is she? Put him back in. It's cold. So let's hope she goes and gets mated. Sorry, ladies, for disrupting you. Sorry, ladies. You guys are doing a wonderful job drawing comb. Your queen will get mated. Yep, she's in there, guys. She looks kind of halfway, like maybe she's had a couple mating flights but isn't laying eggs yet. That's kind of what it feels like to me. There's a couple bees over here on this other hive. They'll go home. All right, ladies, doing a good job. All right, guys, that's just what I wanted to show you. Getting in this swarm. There's a virgin in there. So we'll wait another week and see if she gets mated. And awesome. Great sharing my beekeeping with you guys. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.